Hey, what's up guys, Woody LS3 coming at you with another vlog. Today we're actually going to be going to Xclusive Collision. We're actually going to be getting my side skirts. They have actually been ready for a while. I've just been busy with Texas 2K, so we're gonna go pick those up and get them installed on my car. Right now it just has a Z06 front lip on it. Doesn't look bad, it looks good, but I do miss my side skirts. And let's go check out what Agustin from Xclusive Collision did to them. Like I said, he did a little pearl on them, so I'm excited to see them, how they look, all of them, especially on the car. Also, like I said, I did go to Texas 2K and I got footage over there, but for some reason my mic is messing up and all the audio sounds scratchy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave you with some highlights of Texas 2K, so I hope you enjoy them. Like I said, I was out there, I had a blast, I had such an awesome time. I really didn't get much sleep any of the times. I was also out with Midnight Performance, doing some grudge racing and doing some cash days and stuff like that. Definitely check out their channel, guys, Midnight Performance on YouTube. Also, guys, I want to send a shout out to my boy Boyd for the awesome shirt. Definitely check him out, guys. Make sure you give him a follow on Instagram. He has a sick Mustang. I believe he has a record right now as far as the Mustangs go. So, man, he's got some serious stuff. Definitely follow him and the shop page. Let's go ahead and pick up these side skirts. So let's go. Alright guys, we're here at Xclusive with Mr. Agustin, and we're gonna go pick up our parts. He's gonna come show them to me right now, so let's go ahead and pick them up. Damn. ¿Estos cómo se miran al sol, verdad, May?
Sí, es igual. Mira.
Mira.
Bien reforzado. So, para que aguante otro.
Oh, yeah, no. Alright guys, you can see where he reinforced it. Like I said, he reinforced it, and it looks like nothing happened off the top.
Los dos sides.
And like I said, guys, nothing was wrong with the one on the driver's side. So he didn't want that to look different, so he went ahead and painted all the pieces, and that's why he has all the pieces right now. So they all have a hint of pearl in them. Yeah, look guys, you can see there's like nothing ever happened.
Nothing.
That was a pretty good chunk missing, ¿verdad? Un pedazote bueno.
Güey, era desde aquí hasta acá. Todo estaba quebrado.
Estamos. Gracias.
Quedó perro ahora sí armarlo el pinche el Ferrari.
Ferrari. Thanks to Mr. Agustin. Guys, I was gonna put this on. I'm sure he don't want me to put this on camera, but he helped me out. I told him how much it was. He's like, no, don't worry about it. Like I said, this is a big thank you. Gracias.
Ya estás.
And
Ya
like I
sabes,
said,
Woody.
if y'all need any custom work or any insurance claims or anything like that, definitely check out Xclusive. They do awesome work. La dirección.
Es 514 Mill Avenue.
There you go,
Conroe,
guys.
Texas.
Y el número.
936-441-0303.
Alright guys, there you go guys, so definitely check them out. Let's go ahead and get out of here and put these pieces on so we can have my Corvette, El Ferrari. There you go guys.
Combinación chingona.
With that exclusive touch. Let's go ahead and go back home, get these pieces on so my car can be A1 again. Alright guys, we made it back home. Big shout out to Agustin at Xclusive Collision. He helped me out fixing my side skirt, fixing my front lip, repainting all of them. He did a little hint of pearl over the black, so I thought that was awesome. Can't wait to get him on the car. But before we get him on the car, we actually have to go drop off Turbo, which is my boy Freddy's dog. Me and my family usually watch him while they are out of town. They're back in town. We're gonna go ahead and over to Project Torque, drop him off, and then we'll get to working on the side skirts and front lip. So let's go ahead and go over to Project Torque. Alright guys, Turbo's back home. I thought shop dog, Vale.
What's up, Wade? We miss you, Turbo. We miss you, Wade. About to get run over. About to get run
Hey,
over.
like Keith.
You about to get run over, boy. Yeah. Okay, go see. Go see. Go. Is that Turbo?
Look, he's getting excited.
Turbo! 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 Look at his hungry ass looking for food.
This is dog back, bro.
Turbo! Yeah, wash him. He smells like dog. He's a dog. He's gonna smell like dog. He smells like Omar. Turbo, what you been doing, Turbo? Where you been at? Damn it, boy. He got bigger. What are you doing? Famous Turbo back on the vlog. Eh? Come on, Turbo. Get him. Let's get him. Damn. Ese Turbo ya está bien grande. Getting some exercise para que se le hagan estos mojos así mamalones. Shout out to Woody for taking care of Turbo whenever we're out of town, guys. Turbo is back on the vlog. Eh? Come on, Turbo.
And Turbo has his own hat, huh?
Yeah.
Turbo has his own
Turbo
hat.
hat.
Alright guys, so we dropped off Turbo. He's back with his original owner.
We're co-ownership of Turbo because
Yeah.
Woody takes care of him a lot for us. When we go out of town, guys, you know, Turbo's not the type of dog that you want to travel with because it's just not healthy for him. If we get tired, of course, the dog is going to get tired. So better thing for him to do is stay home. We don't want to leave him home alone. This is not the right thing to do. So Woody takes care of him and his family and he gets the proper treatment, the proper love. Whenever he comes back, then he comes back with us. You know what I'm saying? He gets love from me and Camila and Cassandra and everybody else.
So you could say we're his adopted parents.
Yeah.
What is up guys? I'm back. It's been a couple days since that day when I went to go drop off Turbo. I still haven't put the lips on the car, but that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna go ahead and finish putting on the lips on the car, the front lip, the side skirts. So we're gonna go ahead and do all that today. I got them right here, all cleaned up, ready to go. Freshly painted, thanks to Agustin at Xclusive. I got my front lip over there. Like I said, he fixed that tip. It was actually a big chunk cracked off and he went ahead and fixed it for me. Obviously my side skirt is all completely done, freshly painted on all of the pieces. So, but we're gonna go ahead and slap these pieces on. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, well I got the car lifted up, I got the side skirts on, I got the front lip on, but I actually got the wrong rivets. As you can see right here, it's not actually on. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to Home Depot real quick and I'm gonna get the right rivets, slap them on, and then this car is pretty much done. It got all the side skirts back on. Right now let's go ahead and go to Home Depot, pick those up, come back here and slap them on and finish the job. Well guys, I'm finally done with my car. Finally got all the lips back on. Man, it's crazy having it like this again. I broke them like a week after I got the car out. So it's back. Thank you to Mr. Agustin at Xclusive Collision. He helped me out with all the lips. So my car's back. I can't wait to get it to some shows. That way y'all can see it in person. A lot of people tell me it looks so much better in person. So I can't wait to take it out to some shows and park it at my booth, or you know, just have it out there so people can see it. Here are some cinematics on the car, so here you go.